Everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, February the 6th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not all. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming. Today I've already solved 3 puzzles. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube, yeah. First one, the 3 star Sudoku number 7949. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 28 printed digits. If you compare with the one, usually the 28 printed digits should be a 0 stars, because for a 3 stars puzzle, usually it has 25 printed digits. This one has 28, 3 printed digits more. So 0 stars. Need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. But it's indicated with the 3 stars. So needed 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this really a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see. We have a 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those. All right. 4, 3, 3. 6, 6. Well, 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column. Only place level 6 should be there. Alright. Need a 2 here. And I need a 9 there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Well, need a 7 here. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, second column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 9, 9, 7, 7. 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. Okay. Interesting. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. No 1 goes there. 7, 8. 4. 7, 8, 4. Alright. How about need a 5 here. Need a 7 here. 5, 7. Come on. Need an 8 here. Need a 6 there. How about the number 2, 2, 2, 2, 7. How about the 3? 3, 2. 3, 2. Aye, this number. Need that number. 3, 3. Well. 3, 3. Come on. 3. 3 in this column. 3 in the first column, so the column between. Third column, the only place left with a 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. And I need a 1 here. 1, 3. And yeah, 3. Okay. Then need a 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in the third row. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be here. 2, 2. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. Here also 1 and a 5. Alright. Then. Need a 4. 4, 6, and 4, 6, and 3. No 3 here. 3. Well, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. And look, this box cannot be 4 and the 6 in this big square. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 9, no, 1, 5, 7, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there, so the 1 and the 7 are left. That means 1 digit left in this first row for number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. And the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. How about the 2 and the 9? We have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Need a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next down, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in the last one, no 2 there. 2 in a row above, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Need an 8 here. 8, 8, 8. Yeah, need an 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. Wait. 8, 6, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Need a 7 there. Need a 5 there. 4, 6. Okay. How about? Yeah, the 1 and the 5. Okay. Need a 9 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 in this row could be here or there. Here or there, we have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. So the 1, 3, and the 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. Look, we have 3 and a 7 in the second column, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. All right. Then. Let me see. How about these 3 missing numbers in this second column? Those missing numbers are the 1. Need a 2 here. Yeah. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left with the 2 should be there. So 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left with a 5 should be here. Need a 5 here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 1 and an 8. Okay, that means we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in the first column. So this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. 1 box left in the third column for number 5. Need a 5 here. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left and 5 should be here. Or there we have 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 4 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Then let me see. 1, 7. And I need a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the 7, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 in the 7, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there. And we have a pair, the 7 and 8 in this column, the 7 and 8 in the column next, so in the last column. Only 2 places left, 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 and an 8, we have an 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. And only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow! 0 stars. Well, not faster than 40 minutes. Let me give this a 1 star. Not quite a 3 stars, a 2 stars, but a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.